welcome to Think Academy. Welcome to today's explanation video. This topic is logical analysis. So we analyze all the conditions to find some hidden conditions. So sometimes it gives you one piece of information, but maybe there are two or more conditions in that one important information. So behind every decision, there should be the reasoning thinking. Okay, let's go with the first one. So the picture shows 5 screws in the block. 4 of the screws are the same length. One screw is shorter. Which screw is the short one? So when we compare the lengths, we can easily find the first one and the last one. They are at the same level, right? And we can see the tip of the first one, but not the tip, but we can see the tip of the last one. That means the last one is shorter, and there is only one is shorter. So easy, that will be the last one, so the fifth. So the answer E. And let's continue with the second one. A number is written into every square of a 4 times 4 table. Mary is looking for the 2 times 2 table where the sum of the 4 numbers is greatest. How big is the sum? So if we want to know the sum of the 4 number is greatest, so what should we do? So that means when we plus the number together, there must have the biggest number in it. So the biggest number, the largest number in this 4 times 4 table, 7. So in your 2 times 2 table, the 7 is included. So maybe you also find, there is 4. So the 4 is the second biggest, second largest. So maybe we choose this 2 times 2 table. But there is still actually, think about it. If we want the sum is greatest, so we not only have the greatest number, but we should let the amount of the smallest number is least. Could you understand? We should make the amount of number 1 as less as possible. So could you see this table? In this table, although we don't have 4, but we have 2 3s, and the more important, we only have 1 ones. But for this one, we have 2 ones. And if we plus them together, we can find the sum of 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 30. And if 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, it's going to be 14. See, you have to include the greatest number, but you have to make sure the amount of the smallest number is as least as possible. So it's going to be option D. So let's continue. The last one. The queen tries to find out 3 names of Rumpelstiltskin's wife. She asks her, so are you called Adele, Lily, Cleo? Are you called Adele, Laura, Cora? Are you called Abby, Laura, Cleo? Each time, exactly one name and its position was right. What's the name of Rumpelstiltskin's wife? So here, her name is made by 3 names. So here, 3 names. Okay, 3 names. The first one starts with letter A, L, and C. And we can observe, after observation, we can find for the first name is either Adele or Abby. The second one either Lily or Laura. The third one easy Cleo or Cora. So let's analyze this sentence. So how we pick the name? So each time exactly one name and its position was right. And we can find it's Adele or Abby. So let's assume, okay? Let's assume Adele is the correct one. So each time exactly one name and its position was right. That means the other two names and position was wrong. So which means if Adele is correct, then Lily wrong, Cleo wrong. Also, we assume Adele is correct. So correct, wrong, and wrong, and wrong for Abby. So, and let's continue. So now, until now, it makes sense. Let's continue for the second name. For the second name, it's either Lily or Laura, but as you can see, we already exclude these two names. So that doesn't make sense anymore. So which means Adele? No. Okay, so the first name can be Adele. It only can be Abby. So Abby and Adele is wrong. Adele is wrong. And through Abby one, we know the other two names, they are wrong. So for the second name, it can be Laura. So it only can be Lily. For the second name, it can be Cleo. So it only can be Cora. So we just pick the different one because once they are same, that means the other parts are wrong, and for the other position, also wrong. So here it should be Abby, Lily, Cora. The answer is option A. So you have to analyze the hidden condition. The other two names and position are wrong. That's a hidden condition. Okay, that's for today's practice. See you next time. Bye.